Question number 4. So we want to fully expand this one. Equal 1 plus 3x. I'm going to expand this one. 3, 1. This term 1, 3. The other term 0. Then 3, 2. We know that this is 3c2. This is a short form of writing. Right? 3, 2, 3c2, and then 1 square, 2 square. It will match with this is 2, this is 2. Then 3, 1, 3, 2. Okay, it's wrong. We want to start from 0. 3, c 0, 1, 3, 2, x 3. Then 3, c 1, 1 cube, 1 square, 2x, then 3c2, 1, 2x square, then 3c3, 1, 0, this is 1, 1, 2x cube. Now 1 plus 3x. What is 3c? Oh, any terms, first one is 1, the last one also 1. And the second one is going to be matched with the power 3, and this is going to be 3. Now 1 cube is 1, 2x cube. Oh, sorry, this is 2x0, the starting one. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And this is 1. Any 2x0 is 1. Any 0 power is 1. And this is 1 square is 1. Then this is 2x as it is. 302, this is going to be 1. And then 2x square mean 2 square x square, which is 4x. So this is 4x. And this is 3c is 1 as we discussed, and this is 1 0 is 1. Then 2x cube is 2 cube x cube, 8x cube. Now 1 plus 6x plus this is 12x square. 2x square means 4x square. And 12x square, and this is 8x cube. Now we have two terms. One is plus 1, other one is plus 3x. 1 plus 3x mean what? How many terms? Two terms. One is plus 1, other one is plus 3x. Plus 3x terms and plus 1 term. Now we'll first of all multiply by plus 1 term, the whole set. 1 plus 6x plus 12x square plus 8x cube. What is the second one? second number plus 3x, and whole set in 1 plus 6x plus 12x square plus 8x cube. Now when you multiply anything by 1, still the same, 1 plus 6x plus 12x square plus 8x cube. This is going to be 3x plus 3 times 6, 18x square. This is 36, 3 times 12, 36x cube, and 3 times 8, 24x 4. Now, how many constants here? Just one. 1. Then, how many x? 6x plus 3x, 9x. Yeah, 9x. X done, constant done. Then the x square terms. 12x square plus 18x square. That is going to be 30x square. Then x cube. 36 and 8. 44x cube. And then 24x to the power 4. We work with the hens. So first of all, we expand this one. 2 cube, 2 square, 2 1, 2 0, y0, y1, y2, y3, and this is 3 0, 3c0, 3c1, 3c2, and 3c3. And we know this is 1, we know this is 3, and this is, we know that 1, and 1 will go last, match with the power, so it is going to be 3. This is 2 cube is 8, y cube is 1, y to the power 0 is 1, 2 square is 4, this is y, and plus this is 3, and this is 2 to the power 1 y square, and then plus 3c3 is 1, and 2 0 is 1, and y cube. So this is going to be 8 plus 12y plus 6y square plus y cube. You know this is power 3. The coefficient is matched with the 3 plus 1. The Pascal angles, fourth row. 1, 1, 2, 1. This is 3, 3, 3, 1. Wrong Pascal angle. 1, 1, 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. So if it is 3, fourth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 1, 3, 3, 1. So this is 2 plus y cube. This is 2 plus y cube. Now we want to expand 2 plus x minus x square cube. Now can you look at 2 is 2 plus plus. Instead of y you can put here is x minus x square. Now every place where you see y you can replace with x minus x square. 8, 12, y mean x minus x square. Then 6, y square mean x minus x square, x minus x square. And this is x minus x square cube. Now this is 8, this is 12x minus 12x square plus 6 times, this is x square minus, x minus x square. Then this is 2 times this multiply of this one x cube, and this is x4. Then this one x minus x square cube. Now we have to put again Pascal triangle for this one. 8 plus, I will simplify a little bit. 12x minus 12x square plus 6x square minus 6 times 2, 12x cube plus 6x4 plus x minus x square cube. Now this is 8, 12x, that is 12x, that's all, minus 12x square minus 12x square. Actually this is x cube. And this is going to be minus 6x square minus 12x cube 6x4 plus x minus x square cube. Now x minus x square cube, I want to expand this one with the binomial. I simplify a little bit. X times 1 minus x cube. I just factorize inside, I keep as it is. See whether you can do it again. One bracket become two bracket, because when I factorize this one, I can see x can out, then the other one is going to be like this. Then now we write x cube 1 minus x cube. This is power 1, this is power 1. And now this is much easier to work with. 1 minus x cube expansion. Now I write here 8 plus 12x minus 6x square minus 12x cube plus 6x4 plus, I can write, okay, x cube 1 minus x cube. Now x cube 1 minus x cube, I'm talking of this one, x cube 1 minus x cube. I can't put the binomial expansion of this one because it is minus. Now I have to write x cube as it is, 1 plus minus x cube. Now I can write the binomial expansion. So x cube by keep as it is, this is going to be 1, 3, 3, 1. I write the Pascal triangle, but we have to write proper expansion. Then this is going to be, this is 1. So 1 to the power 4, everything is going to be 1. So I'll disregard 1 and I'll consider this one. So this is minus x0. This is minus x1. This is minus x2. This is minus x3. See the ascending one. I disregard the descending one. What is the descending? 1. If I write here 1 to the power 3, then 1 to the power square, 1 to the power 1, 1 to the power 0. Right? We don't need that because it is just 1. Right? So from Pascal triangle it is 1, 3, 3, 1. Now what is this value is 1. What is this value is minus 3x. What is this value? Minus plus 3x square. What is this value is minus x cube. Now finally we come to the final answer, x cubed times this one. 1 minus 3x plus 3x minus x cubed. Now we'll multiply by x cubed. X cubed minus 3x4 plus 3x5 minus x6. Now x cubed 1 minus x cubed I found out like this. Then I have to substitute here 8 plus 12x minus 6x square minus 12x cubed 6x plus 4. What is this one is going to be? X cubed minus 3x4 plus 3x5 minus x6. Now this is going to be constant, only one constant 8. Any x, I can't see any x, 12x, any x squares, I can't see, minus 6x square, any x cubes, I can see this one, minus 11x cube, any x4s, this is plus 3x4, that is also done. Any x5s, 3x5 minus 6x. So this is the final answer. When you work this kind of sum, you have to work very patiently and very carefully. In here you see that when we did the Pascal binomial expansion, again within that expansion we have to use the binomial expansion in this place. So we simplify like this and then we have to do the expansion. When you have this kind of sum, work 3-4 times to practice. Question number 6. So this will give a coefficient of x square is 54. So you want to find the coefficient of x square and equal to 54. That is the plan. Now can you find the coefficient of x square? You can write total expansion, but I don't like that. But I will, first of all, I expand like that. So 3c 0, 2, 3, ax 0, first term, 3c is 1, 2 square ax, 3c2, 2, 1, ax square, 3c3, ax cube. Now whereas the x square term, I can see that this is x, there is no x here, x0 become 1. This is only 1x. This is x square and this is x cube. So this is the term we need. The coefficient of this term. Right? So we should not write everything. It's a waste of time. So we will check whether it is in the right order. Yes. X in the right side of this number, then it's fine. There is no negatives. That's fine. And then we can write 3. We need a square c, and this is the term 2. Then we'll write this one first, ax square, and then what is the remaining term? 2, left term. This is going to be 1. Why it is 1? Because when you add those two together, 2 plus 1, 3. Now this is the term. Now we will simplify. What is 3c2? 3c2 means uh, Pascal triangle 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1. This is 3 and 1. This is 0, C0, C1, C2, C3. So C2 mean what? 3. So this value is 3. And this value is 2. And this is a square x square. If you don't know, you can find 3c2 like this as well. You can as usual line and 3 go up, 2 go down, and the difference of those two, 3, 2, and take the factorial. Factorial 3, this is factorial 1 and factorial 2, which is 3. Now 3 times 2 is 6a x square. What is the coefficient? Coefficient is 6a square. Coefficient of x square is 6a square. Now we'll write here 6a square. Now 6a square is 54. A square is 54 divided by 6. A square is 9. When you take a square root of both sides, a equal plus or minus 3. That's done. Question number 7. 2 minus x. 3 plus bx square is 45. Find the possible value of the constant b. Which one is the coefficient? X square is 45. Now we want to expand this one and we want to get the coefficient of x square. So this is 3. Then 2 minus x as it is. 3, 3 c0, 3, 3, bx0, 3 c1, 3 square, bx1, 3 c2, 3, 1, bx square, 3 c3, 3, 0, bx cube. So this is going to be 2 minus x equal, this is 1, 3 cube. This is 1, this is 3 cube, and this is 1 bx cube. Then this is 3. From the Pascal angle, 3c1 is 3. This is 9 times b times x. This is again 3 times b square x square. This is 1 times, this is also 1, and b cube x cube. 2 minus x times, this is going to be 3 times 3, 9, 27. Plus this is 3 times 27 bx. This is going to be 9b square x square. Then this is going to be b cube x cube. Now, shall I multiply by everything or shall I take only the x square coefficient? You can do both ways. So I'll do first fully expansion. 2 times 27 plus 27bx plus 9b square x square b cube x cube, and then what is the other term? Minus x. Again this one, 27 plus 27b x plus 9b square x square b cube x cube. Now this is going to be 54 plus 54bx. This is 18b square x square. This is 2b cube x cube. This is 27x. This is minus 27bx square. This is 9b square x cube. This is b cube x4. So this is 54 and x. 54bx. So 54b, and this is minus 27x. Any other x? No. So x is finished. Then the x square. I have 18b square, then minus 27b and x square. X square finish. Then x cube. 2b cube minus 9b square x cube. Then x cube is finished, and then b3x4. Now what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 18b square minus 27b, and this is equal to 45. Now you can see that we waste a lot of time to find these unnecessaries, right? Instead of that, how do you do this one shortly? Now I need x square term. I don't need other terms. Now think about how you can make x square by how. So when you multiply by 2, this is going to be a constant. 2 times 54bx is still not x square terms. 2 times this one, that one make x square term. So 2 times 9b, 18b square. Okay, that one make x square term. 2 times, if constant, multiply by x square term. Or x multiply by another x term make x square as well. Minus x times 27bx. Minus x times 27bx, which is going to be minus 27bx square. Then this is going to be minus 27b. I'll bring the like this. Now you see, instead of working wasting time, very simply by using your brain you manage to get x square term straight. We'll try again. So we need the x square term. Which term when you multiply by 2 will get a x square. When you multiply by 2 by 27 will get x square? No. 2 by 27bx, no x square terms. Only the x square terms. Then 2 times 9b, 18b square. And 2 times b cube is going to be a cubic one. Then x1 is already there. Right? How many x is in? 1x. So 1x is here. So then minus x times 27bx. This is going to be minus 27bx square. minus 27b, right? Now 18b minus 27b, 18b equal coefficient is what? 45. Now we have to solve this equation. I can see that I can divide everything by 9. This is 2b square, this is 3b, and this is 5. So 2b square minus 3b minus 5 equal 0. So we can bracket out the 2b minus 5 and b plus 1 equals 0. So 2b minus 5 equals 0 or b plus 1 equals 0. B equal 5 divided by 2 or b equal minus 1. So work out the coefficient of x square. Work out the coefficient of x square. P minus 2x cube. I can't put the binomial for this one. So I'll put P plus minus 2x 3. And now it is in the binomial form. Right. And I need x square term. I can see that I can get 3 because of 3, then C, and I need x square from 2, then 3C2 equal minus 2x square. I write this term minus 2 and square and the other term. Now I want to, what is the symbol I am going to write? When you add those two equal to 3, 2 plus 1. So this is going to be 1. So 3C2 already we know it is 3, and P and minus 2x square. It means minus 2 square minus 3p minus 2 square times x square. 3p minus 2 square is 4 times x square. So 4 times this is 12p x square. So the coefficient of the x square term is, so coefficient of x square term is 12p. But this is for your knowledge, we may need this again. How about p minus 2, I will take 2x x square like this. Now it is x here. It will match with this one. But now, okay, p plus minus 2x square to the power 3. Now you want to find the x square coefficient. Now if you take 3c2, that's wrong. Only you have to take 3c2 if the power is x to the x power is 1. Now when if you take 3c2, this is going to be, we'll see what will happen if you take 3c2 minus 2x square 2, and this is going to be p1 as usual. So then 3c2 p1, this is going to be minus 2 square, and x square, this is x to the power 4 you will get. Then this is a wrong answer. In that case, you can't get 3c2. In that case, you have to use your brain and you have to be careful which term will give x square term. It's not 3c2. It's not 3c2. Then which term give? Right? If you get a 3c0, this term is going to be 0 power. Minus 2x square 0. So that is going to be 1. The next term, 3c1. So minus 2x square to the power 1. Now you get the square here. So likewise, you have to use your brain when you get in this coefficient. It's totally depend on this x power of this. So there is no problem at the present because this x power is 1. The time x power is start changing, it's going to be a, you have to think, it's not going to be no more 3c2. You have to think and you have to get the right term. Question number 9. When you look at this question, we want to find the approximation for a plus bx plus cx square. Now, they don't need 3, 4, 5 powers. So 500 times, this is 1 plus x over 100 to the power 5. How many terms there? There are 6 terms. If this is 5, 5 plus 1, 6 terms. And you have checked this 6th row of the Pascal triangle. And I need the constant, then the x value, and the x square. I don't need others. So 500 times, what is the first one? 5c0, 1, 5, x 100 to the power 0. Power 0 is constant. This is the constant term. Then 5c1, 1 to the power 4, x 100 to the power 1. That is x to the power 1 is x term. And 5c2, 1 to the power 3, x 100 over square. The other one is going to be cubic. You don't need that one. So we'll simplify this one. 500. This is, we know any 5c0, any one is 1. 5c0, 60, 7c0, ac0, all 1. And this is 1 to the power 1, 1. And this is going to be 1. Power 0 is 1. And 5c1 means the second one is always matched with the power. And this is 1 to the power 1. This is x over 100. And this is 5c2, right? This is the one we need to look at now. 5c2 means 5 and 2 we write like this, we write the difference. And then we won't take the factorial. Factorial 5, factorial 3 and factorial 2. Now this is going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 cancel out. 5 and 4 remain top and the factorial 2. So 20 divided by 2 times 1. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Factorial 2 is, so this value is 10 and this 1 to the power 3 is 1. This is going to be x square and 100 square and plus dot dot dot. So 500 times 1 plus 5 times x over 100 plus 10 times x square over 100 mean 100 square mean 10,000 plus dot dot dot. So now we'll multiply by 500. This is 500. Then 5 times 500 times x over 100. Then 10 times 500 times x square over 10,000 plus dot dot. So this is 0, 0 cancel out. This is going to, this is 0 and this is 1. Right. So this is going to be 500 plus 25x plus 5 over 10 mean half. 5 over 10 mean half x square plus dot dot. Now this is a plus b x plus c x square. A is 500, b is 25 and c is half. In here only the learning is we need maximum x square, then you should not write more than x square. It is a waste of time. It is we also want to know that which power it is. This is power 1. If it is power 2, we only need this term and this term. Then we don't need to go further. So we have to adjust these terms, either IC 0, 1 or 2, by looking at the power of this.